What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to set up personal hotspot on iPhone. So firstly, unlock your iPhone and tap the Settings app. Tap Mobile Data, then toggle Mobile Data to On if it's not already. Scroll down and tap on Personal Hotspot, then toggle Allow Others to Join to On. You'll see a prompt asking how others can connect. You can choose Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or USB only. Tap Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to allow multiple devices to join wirelessly. Now your iPhone generates a Wi-Fi password automatically. Other devices will need this password to connect. You can tap the password to edit it to something easier to remember. Now on the device, look for your iPhone's hotspot Wi-Fi, enter the password shown under the personal hotspot and you can successfully connect to it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.